those examples that I just gave, realize that those are symptoms of a failed ideology of the far left as led by President Obama. There's a good Senate candidate in Maryland, Dan Bongino, and he recently gave a speech about that. These are just symptoms of a failed ideology and how important it is to recognize that those who are in the majority right now in the Senate and President Obama, they actually believe that government can spend your money better than you can. They believe that they are smarter than you are, and yet these experts are the ones who get us into the mess in the first place. These experts are the ones that have allowed the $16 trillion debt. The fact that the situation that we're in, where 1 in 5 working age men in America